Hello, viewers! It's my first YouTube video on DIY work on cars, and today we will paint the chips on the doors. To do this job, you need a paint sample of your car's paint code. The paint sample cost me just $5 or euros. You also need a paintbrush or just a chopstick like I did here. It is cheap work in general, and it can save you lots of dollars at the paint shop. Please subscribe. I have some very good videos coming in the future with this BMW E60. It's not an M5, but it is a start. My next videos will be about the rims and the brake calipers. This is all I will say for this video. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Peace out.
With 19 seconds left, we cleared the money out of the way of the bomb and asked what he was going to spend it on.
I'm having a baby tomorrow.
What? And then we blew the building up.
Oh, God. I hope you enjoyed the explosion. We have to make this video exactly 10 minutes. Good.